Do you know what a power of attorney is and why it's important? Let's lay the groundwork. A power of attorney is a legal document that allows you to appoint someone to handle your affairs if you're unable to do so yourself. It's like entrusting someone with a spare key to your life's most important decisions. Here's why it's crucial. Imagine being incapacitated due to an accident or illness, unable to make critical decisions about your own life. You'd want someone you trust to step in, right? That's where a power of attorney comes into play. Without one, you're leaving your fate in the hands of the court system. They'll appoint a guardian to make decisions for you, but it may not be someone you'd have chosen. The process can be time-consuming, expensive, and emotionally draining for your loved ones. Now that you understand the basics, let's delve into how to actually obtain a power of attorney. Did you know there are different types of power of attorney? To many, this term may seem like a one-size-fits-all concept, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Each type of power of attorney has its own unique characteristics and uses, so let's break them down. First up, we have the general power of attorney. This is the broadest form, giving the designated person or agent the authority to act on your behalf in a variety of situations, from financial matters to personal decisions. Next is the limited power of attorney. As the name suggests, this type offers a more focused scope. You might use a limited power of attorney to give someone the authority to handle a specific task or decision on your behalf, like selling a property. Then we have the durable power of attorney. This type continues to be effective even if you become incapacitated, ensuring that your affairs can be managed in accordance with your wishes, no matter what happens. Finally, there's the medical power of attorney, which we'll delve into more in the next scene. But in a nutshell, it grants someone the authority to make medical decisions for you if you are unable to make them yourself. Understanding these differences is crucial to choosing the right type of power of attorney for your needs. So whether it's general, limited, durable, or medical, it's always important to weigh your options carefully. So, how does one go about obtaining a power of attorney? You might wonder. Well, it's a process that requires careful thought and planning, but it's not as complicated as you might think. The first step is to find a competent attorney who specializes in estate planning or elder law. This professional will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring that your power of attorney document is legally sound and reflects your wishes accurately. Once you have found the right attorney, the next step is to discuss your desires and concerns. Who do you trust to make decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so? What kind of decisions should they be able to make? These are the types of questions your attorney will help you answer. After you've made these decisions, your attorney will draft the power of attorney document. This is a legal form that clearly states who you are appointing as your agent and what powers you are granting them. It's crucial that this document is clear and precise, as any ambiguity can lead to confusion or disputes down the line. Once the document is drafted, it will need to be signed by all parties involved. This includes you, the person you're appointing as your agent, and any alternate agents you've chosen. It's important to note that you must be mentally competent at the time of signing. If there's any question about your mental capacity, a doctor's certification may be required. After the document is signed, it will need to be notarized. This is an official act that validates the document and helps protect against fraud. The notary will verify the identities of all parties and ensure that everyone is signing voluntarily and without coercion. Once these steps are completed, the power of attorney document is legally binding. However, it's a good idea to review it periodically, especially if your circumstances change. Revisions can be made with the help of your attorney. It might seem intimidating, but with the right guidance, obtaining a power of attorney is a straightforward process. Imagine being unable to make your own medical decisions. Who would you trust to make them for you? This, my friends, is where the concept of medical power of attorney comes into play. A medical power of attorney, also known as a healthcare proxy or durable power of attorney for health, is a legal document that enables you to appoint someone you trust to make medical decisions on your behalf if you are unable to do so. This could be due to illness, an accident, or even a temporary situation like being under general anesthesia. Now you may be thinking, I'm young and healthy, why should I worry about this now? But here's the thing. Life, as we know, can be unpredictable. Having a medical power of attorney is like having an insurance policy. It's one of those things you hope you'll never need, but you'll be thankful to have if the unexpected happens. The person you designate, referred to as your agent, could be a spouse, a family member, a close friend, or anyone you trust to respect your wishes. It's crucial that this person understands your values and preferences concerning your health and life. Getting a medical power of attorney isn't as complicated as it may seem. You don't need a lawyer, though consulting one can be helpful. Most states have standard forms available online. You fill it out, sign it, and often have it witnessed or notarized. Remember, laws vary by state, so it's important to check your state's requirements. A key point to remember, a medical power of attorney is not set in stone. If your circumstances or relationships change, you can update it. Essentially, you retain control over your healthcare decisions as long as you are capable. In conclusion, a medical power of attorney is a crucial part of planning for the future. It gives you the peace of mind that your healthcare decisions will be made by someone who knows and respects your wishes, even when you can't voice them yourself. A medical power of attorney ensures that your healthcare decisions are in the hands of someone you trust, should the unthinkable happen. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's recap. We started off by introducing the concept of power of attorney, a legal document that allows you to appoint someone to handle your affairs if you're unable to do so yourself. We then delved into the different types of power of attorney, each with its own unique set of responsibilities and limitations. We focused on the general power of attorney, which provides broad powers to the person you appoint, and the limited power of attorney, which is confined to a specific purpose or time frame. We also touched on the enduring or durable power of attorney, which continues even if you become mentally incapacitated. Then we explored the process of obtaining a power of attorney, emphasizing the importance of consulting with a legal professional to ensure your interests are protected. We wrapped up by discussing medical power of attorney, a specific type of authority that lets your chosen individual make medical decisions on your behalf if you're unable to. Remember, these are important legal instruments designed to safeguard your interests and provide peace of mind. They're not just for the elderly or the ill. Anyone can benefit from having a power of attorney in place. Remember, knowledge is power. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more legal topics on Office Gladiator. And as always, consult with a legal professional about your specific situation.